Bitcoin shrugs off solid inflation report, holds steady over $30.5 thousand. HDFC Bank onboards 1 lakh customers and 1.7 lakh merchants on CBDC platform. DOJ moves over 9,000 BTC seized from Silk Road. Dapper Labs lays off 51 as NFT market stays chilly. Circle Cut's workforce will continue hiring globally. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets slumped lower in the past 24 hours in the immediate aftermath of a decline in the June Consumer Price Index Wednesday. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.1% at 40,450 points. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, continues to consolidate in the range between $30,000 and $31,000, but it's getting closer to the former. Bitcoin's price failed to breach $31,000 yesterday and the bears took advantage. They managed to push the price down to $30,200. Increased volatility comes amid this month's CPI announcement. The Bureau of Labor Statistics published the numbers yesterday and they clocked in at lower than expected. Meanwhile, the CME FedWatch tool suggests that the Federal Open Market Committee would raise rates 25 basis points on July 26 and are 94.9% versus 93% a day prior. The altcoin market has also seen slight declines across the board, with a few notable exceptions. Elsewhere, two wallets tagged as belonging to the US government and linked to the Silk Road seizure of crypto have moved over $300 million worth of Bitcoin in 3 separate transactions, on-chain data shows. Bitcoin's block explorer shows that the government-controlled wallet sent a total of 9,825 Bitcoin. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.19 trillion mark, losing 0.1% in the last 24 hours. Total trading volumes increased about 21% to $31.3 billion. Bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange FTX's native token FTT soared 16% in the past 7 days as it launched its portal to enable its users to file claims on their locked funds to help FTX creditors. Interestingly, decentralized storage system Filecoin stems from the successful integration of the Filecoin EVM into the platform's ecosystem. This recent addition has significantly enhanced the number of smart contract transactions conducted on the Filecoin network. Layer 1 proof-of-stake blockchain Aptos, also known as the Solana killer, is all set to unlock a total of 2% APT tokens worth $32 million. However, this unlock can bring significant impact on the token's price, analysts said. US stocks traded higher after data showed the rate of inflation in June slowed to the lowest level since early 2021. Futures tied to the S&P 500 rose 0.3%, while Nasdaq 100 futures added 0.7%. Futures connected to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 42 points, or about 0.1%. Bitcoin was trading at $30,586, down 0.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.2%, trading at $1,883. BNB was down by 0.5% to trade at $246. Cardano's ADA token was down by 1.1% to trade at $0.28. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $13.2, lower 0.3%. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.2% at $0.065. Shiba Inu was trading down by 0.2%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.47, down by 0.1%. Solana SOL was up 1% and was trading at $22.2. Polygon Matic was trading up by 4.7% to trade at $0.77. Polkadot was up by 0.1% to trade at $5.2.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Private lender HDFC Bank on Thursday said it has onboarded over 1 lakh customers and 1.7 lakh merchants under the central bank digital currency pilot program. The bank has also announced the launch of UPI QR code interoperable with India's sovereign digital currency. With this, HDFC Bank has become one of the first banks in the country to complete the integration process. The interoperable UPI QR code allows HDFC Bank merchants who have been onboarded on the bank's CBDC platform to accept payments from their customers in the form of digital rupee currency, boosting usage of CBDC in day-to-day transactions. The initiative is an extension to the CBDC pilot launched by the Reserve Bank of India last year. CBDC or digital rupee is a tokenized digital version of the Indian rupee issued by the RBI as a central bank digital currency. Two wallets tagged as belonging to the US government and linked to the Silk Road CISO of crypto have moved over $300 million worth of Bitcoin in 3 separate transactions on Wednesday morning, on-chain data shows. The price of Bitcoin fell by 0.8% to $30,480. After the transaction was sent, it has since recovered to $30,660 as of cutoff time for this bulletin. Bitcoin's block explorer shows that the government-controlled wallet sent a total of 9,825 Bitcoin worth around $301 million. The same wallet transferred over $1 billion Bitcoin in March, a move that caused a slump across all major cryptocurrencies. The US government previously sold 9,861 Bitcoin for $216 million in March. The sale came after the government seized 50,000 Bitcoin linked to the Silk Road marketplace in November. Dapple App CEO Roham confirmed non-fungible on Twitter Thursday morning, Asia time, that the company has laid off 51 staff amidst a prolonged crypto winter in the non-fungible token market. This is the third round of layoffs the company has gone through in the last 12 months. In February, it announced it was laying off 20% of its staff, while in November it cut 22% of its headcount. The NFT market continues to struggle and has not seen the same post-FTX recovery as other parts of the crypto economy. Stablecoin issuer Circle has cut its workforce slightly to maintain a strong balance sheet, the company said Wednesday. To maintain a strong balance sheet, Circle is redoubling its focus on core business activities and execution, a spokesperson for Circle said in an email. As a result, we have reduced or ended investments in non-core activities and reduced operational expenses, which includes a marginal reduction in headcount. At the same time, we have identified new areas for investment and are continuing to hire in key areas of focus on a global basis. The news comes after Circle's finance chief Jeremy Fox-Geen told the Wall Street Journal earlier this year that the USD coin issuer was planning on increasing its workforce by as much as 25% in an effort to expand. Circle joins a long list of crypto companies including Coinbase, Chainalysis and Gemini that have been forced to cut workers due to the prolonged crypto winter that saw prices sink rapidly and caused investors to stay away from the industry. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing stocks of the day.
First on the list, we have blockchain abstraction layer Chainlink has partnered with Market Across, the world's leading PR and content marketing solution for blockchain startups. Following this, the Chainlink's native token upticked 1% in the last 24 hours and was trading at $6.32 with a market capitalization of $3 billion. This channel partnership will help support startups in Chainlink Build program and give them access to services in PR, content marketing, brand reputation, social promotions, influencer outreach, SEO, community growth, and more. Moving on, bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange FTX's native token FTT upticked 16% in the last 7 days as it is launching its portal to enable its users to file claims on their locked funds to help FTX creditors. FTT is trading at $1.63 with a market capitalization of $536 million. However, the current spike has revealed a different perspective as seen by a more 660% increase in trade volumes. The claims webpage, which is not yet fully functioning, details how users can submit claims to FTX debtors in order to recover funds after more than $7 billion in user funds were recovered. Account information authentication, balance confirmation, electronic proof of claim filing, KYC authentication, and account balance review are all part of the 5-step process. Funds claim to have restored a trust in the FTX exchange prior to the platform's reopening, while the strategy's effectiveness is dependent on implementation and platform reopening. Moving on, decentralized storage system Filecoin stems from the successful integration of Filecoin Ethereum virtual machine into platform's ecosystem. This recent addition has significantly enhanced the number of smart contract transactions conducted on the Filecoin network. Filecoin was trading at $4.23 with a market capitalization of $1 billion. However, not everyone believes Filecoin is a good investment. Bearish experts anticipate Filecoin price drops below the $4 level in the near future. Their skepticism stems from the community's persistent reluctance to fully accept Filecoin, particularly in light of the Securities and Exchange Commission's recent categorization of Filecoin as an unregistered security. Moving on, open source decentralized technology XRP's whales in the cryptocurrency space have reportedly amassed a staggering 1.1 billion XRP, equivalent to roughly $570 million since February. XRP was trading at $0.45 with a market capitalization of $24 billion. Sentiment, an on-chain analytics firm, has shown consistent XRP whale purchases since 2023, often exploiting market decline or stability to increase their holdings. The funds aim to revive trust before the platform's reopening. In March, whales accumulated 420 million new tokens worth $155 million, suggesting they were ready for a large price movement. Many are bullish on the cryptocurrency, with a crypto market commentator predicting a $10 price prediction for each token. Last on the list, we have Layer 1 proof-of-stake blockchain Aptos, also known as the Solana killer, might be in for a bumpy ride in its ecosystem and price actions ahead. According to on-chain analyst and researcher Tom Dunleavy, a total of 2% APT tokens are set to be unlocked tomorrow. In monetary terms, these potential tokens set to be unlocked are worth a total of $32 million. Aptos was trading at $7 with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Aptos Foundation receives $9.5 million, while $22.5 million will be distributed to community members. Aptos is a Layer 1 protocol focusing on performance and usability. The digital currency has shown resilience in the past year, maintaining stability. The announcement of token unlocking has roiled APT, which previously traded at 2.3% discount, analysts believe.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.